Thank you so much, Shailesh. We've all been heads down working ridiculously hard to dramatically raise the bar for quality across the platform. Fortunately, this same work also allowed us to laser focus on our efforts to improve the user experience along the way. From the start, I've been obsessed with crafting an unparalleled user experience and meticulously focusing on even the tiniest of details. Unfortunately, though, in recent years, we've fallen short of these standards. That said, I am excited to say we've gotten back to our roots with ClickUp 3.0, and I think you're going to love what you see. So let's jump right into it. To share more about what you can expect from the 3.0 product experience, please welcome to the stage our head of product design, Horace Butt.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Horace, head of product design here at ClickUp. With ClickUp 3.0, we've completely reimagined how ClickUp looks and feels, making it faster, more consistent, and easier to use. As Zeb mentioned, we've obsessed over every single detail. ClickUp 3.0 ties all of your work seamlessly together to help you stay organized, work smarter, and get productive. You'll immediately notice improvements across every area of the product, down to the nuts and bolts. Let's take a look.
The whole app had a total makeover, starting with the sidebar. The simplified structure now lets you easily manage spaces by letting you join and leave them directly in the sidebar itself. Combined with the architecture improvements that Shailesh mentioned, ClickUp will be much faster and snappier to load, making navigation feel buttery smooth.
We've also made updates to a fan favorite, the multitasking tray. It's now anchored across the bottom of the application, allowing you to seamlessly jump between tasks and docs. This is the foundation for some really cool capabilities we'll be rolling out in the future. And that's not all. We've also added a new toolbar to give you fast access to search, alongside a brand new command bar that gives you instant access to all your work in one place.
The new command bar has been completely rebuilt from the ground up with new features like toggling your theme, simple calculations, and navigating to any location in your workspace. And there's a whole lot more you'll discover as soon as you start using the command bar. At the same time, we added a lightning-fast, quick create experience, making it dead simple to create tasks, docs, reminders, and even chats on the fly.
There's a new personal tool menu to access your most important productivity features in the platform. You'll find an updated profile for easy access to your work, a quick way to access all of your tasks, a cool new shortcut to find any teammate, and a brand new calendar experience that you can access from anywhere in the application. Lastly, I wanted to highlight the updates we've made to our settings. We heard your feedback loud and clear. We've made your personal settings much easier to find. We've separated your personal and workspace settings so you can easily manage your preferences and personal profile. It will also be way easier for anyone with multiple workspaces to jump between them. And that's just scratching the surface. Let's take a closer look around.
As we set out to rebuild ClickUp, a core tenet of our product philosophy was to make our app incredibly flexible and easily customizable so that you can configure ClickUp to meet your exact needs. Our only opinion was that the experience as a whole should make you more productive, but we didn't want to define what that means for you or your teams. We stand by freedom and creativity. So let's talk about some of the ways in which we're giving new meaning to flexibility with ClickUp 3.0.
Custom fields are a powerful element of ClickUp. They're core to the platform's flexibility and make it easy for users to tailor ClickUp for any type of workflow or use case. While users love this level of flexibility, the sheer volume of custom fields created within ClickUp can lead to a web of complexity. That's why we added the new Custom Field Manager, allowing you to edit, move, merge, copy, convert, filter, and group custom fields all in one place, making it a whole lot easier to manage custom fields within ClickUp. We've also made improvements to our automations infrastructure, as Shailesh mentioned, and quality of life improvements like activity logs, duplicating automations, adding descriptions, and advanced automations logic. And speaking of logic, we've also fulfilled a long-awaited request from many of you. We've added the ability to apply conditional logic to forms, which allows forms to update dynamically based on previous answers.
Now, this brings me to one of the most exciting things we've ever built, ClickUp Canvas. Our new state-of-the-art Canvas technology turns ClickUp into a dynamic surface, allowing you to create, resize, and place cards anywhere inside of your workspace. Cards are an evolution of our widgets framework. Originally, we built widgets to report on tasks and projects within dashboards, but as our product has grown, so has our vision for them. Cards can really be used for anything now, allowing you to visualize any ClickUp data and soon-to-be third-party data and place them essentially anywhere inside of ClickUp, starting with our new home page. Everything within Home is now configurable with new cards for lineup, assigned tasks, assigned comments, reminders, recent files, and more, allowing you to drag and drop your new customizable home experience. Outside of Home, we set out to create new and flexible ways for you to easily organize your work inside of ClickUp. ClickUp is so much more than just tasks and projects now. So we wanted to create something entirely new for you to easily manage all of your ClickUp files. Introducing Hubs. Hubs are central locations to conveniently access, discover, and organize all of your files. Using the same Canvas and Cards technology, Hubs let you add cards that filter and visualize your files to give you a personalized view, starting with docs and dashboards. And with docs, I am so excited to announce you'll finally be able to create your own collections to keep docs organized. Similar to how folders keep things organized, collections allow you to group and organize files anywhere inside of ClickUp. There's one more way we're using our new Canvas technology to help you stay organized. Spaces and folders are a core part of our navigation, but up until now, it was challenging to get a quick, clear view of what's inside them. You had to click through different lists, and the views within spaces and folders were sometimes confusing. That's why we're launching Overviews. Overviews are home pages for your spaces and folders. Using this same Canvas technology, you'll now be able to customize them with cards, allowing you to use spaces and folders for virtually anything. Now, you can see what you accessed most recently and organize your lists with custom fields so you can track your portfolios. Plus, folders and spaces will have their own properties like status and owner.
Hell yeah, Zeb. I'm stoked about what this new tech will unlock for the product in the future. Let's switch gears and talk notifications for a sec. It's no secret, we all have a hard time keeping up with notifications these days. Our new inbox has an answer to this. We've completely reimagined the notifications experience with a better information design and context to help you get things done without skipping a beat.
Inbox has been optimized to help you manage and streamline your workflow with new features like keyboard shortcuts and customizable layouts, and soon will include support for snoozing and marking conversations as read or unread. When you open notifications, you won't only see the updates, you'll also be able to see full tasks and docs right beside the updates.
Oh man, I guess I have no excuses now. Speaking of tasks, boy do we have a huge update for you. We rebuilt tasks with some major upgrades to make them faster and more powerful than ever. First, we added a new subtask sidebar to make it so much easier to browse through subtasks and navigate them more efficiently. We also added the ability to display properties or custom fields from subtasks within the parent task. Second, we've made it easy to link tasks to any ClickUp object, as well as anything outside of ClickUp with reimagined relationships. We've made relationships a core part of the task experience. Relationships now provide a way to link all of your work together, from inside or outside of ClickUp, enabling you to get the relevant context faster. Paste any link and we'll automatically create the relationship for you.
And finally, one of our most requested task features ever. Tasks now support multiple layouts. You can open them as a full page, collapse them to the side within a view, or keep the default just like before. But tasks are just a part of something much bigger, List View. List View is the most frequently accessed view inside of ClickUp, but it was in desperate need of a refresh. Along with the major performance improvements Shailesh mentioned, the new List View is sleek, clean, and so much more intuitive. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's talk about how we're making it easier for teams to work together with whiteboards and docs. Whiteboards are a dynamic canvas for you and your team to collaborate. With ClickUp 3.0, we rewrote whiteboards with our new Canvas and cards technology, making them faster than even the most popular whiteboard tools on the market. We've invented something truly revolutionary here, allowing you to embed any app or website alongside ClickUp tasks, docs, lists, and cards. It's an entirely new dimension for helping you and your team jam on ideas together, and we can't wait to see what you do with it. You can add tasks from different lists from different spaces, and even edit docs together on the new whiteboard. The possibilities are endless. And speaking of docs, let's be real. Up until now, they simply weren't great. With ClickUp 3.0, we're launching a new and improved collaboration engine to ensure data integrity for your real-time collaboration needs. You'll have peace of mind trusting that docs are rock solid and reliable. Plus, with cards, you can do really cool things like create reports, assemble detailed project summaries, and so much more with the new docs.
Moving on, I wanted to highlight a few ways we've been innovating on the ClickUp platform. With 3.0, we're introducing a new App Center, a central location where you'll be able to discover and manage all of your integrations. We've just begun to lay the foundation here, but soon we'll release an open framework for you to build your own apps on top of ClickUp, opening up infinite possibilities to customize the platform. We're also giving a much needed refresh to our most popular integrations like Slack and Google Calendar. We'll soon launch a rewrite of our Google Calendar integration to make it perfectly reliable and in sync with your calendars, as well as help you schedule meetings and add tasks and docs to your events. A really exciting new 3.0 feature is Universal Search as part of our enhanced command bar, both built on the Slapdash architecture that ClickUp acquired about a year ago. Universal Search is the first of its kind, making content located within all of your connected apps instantly searchable inside of ClickUp. Universal Search centralizes your work and makes it possible to find anything you need, regardless of what system it's stored in, eliminating the toggle tax that usually comes with it. And soon, we'll be rolling out Command Bar with the 3.0 desktop app, giving you instant access to all of your work from anywhere on your computer. And speaking of apps, mobile is getting an upgrade too. We've made massive performance improvements with our new instant load technology, newly designed home and inbox experiences that better match the web, a better mobile-first docs editor, and a true offline mode coming soon.
Holy, that's a lot. I'm so excited for you all to experience everything in 3.0. We'll be rolling out 3.0 in 2 phases. For the 3.0 product experience, make sure to sign up on the waitlist if you haven't already, as we'll be releasing invites to the 3.0 beta starting today and increasing the velocity of invites over the coming weeks. Once you get an invite, you'll be able to switch yourself or your entire workspace, as long as you're an admin, to ClickUp 3.0. Note that you will be able to switch back and forth between 2.0 and 3.0 as both versions are backwards compatible. Separate from the 3.0 product experience is our 3.0 infrastructure rollout. We'll begin migrating workspaces to this new infrastructure in March automatically. This will continue over the coming months, and once migrated, you'll experience the incredible new performance and reliability improvements that Shailesh shared earlier. Thank you so much for joining us today. We've got some amazing sessions ahead. Be sure to check out the deep dives in our product innovations track for even more details on what's new. Also, be sure to check out sessions from productivity experts like Jim Quick and of course, so many awesome use cases from our ClickUp community. We appreciate your support over the years. We're on a mission of making the world more productive and saving people time, which is our most precious commodity. I want to make clear that even though this is a huge milestone, our work is never finished. We'll continue improving on quality as we re-architect additional areas of our product, which will be accelerated by our new infrastructure. This includes features like workload, time tracking, relationships, formulas, and rebuilding our hierarchy so we can add highly desired features like subfolders.
Wait, I totally forgot to mention one of the biggest updates, custom task types. At the heart of ClickUp's data model are tasks, which traditionally represent a unit of work that needs to get done. But we found that many of our customers use tasks for so much more than work. They're used for things like projects, people, accounts, invoices, tickets, you name it. But up until now, they were still represented as tasks within ClickUp. That's about to change, as you'll soon be able to create custom task types for things other than tasks in ClickUp, helping you keep things organized and connect your work like never before. You can call these items whatever you want, and you can even add an icon of your choice to identify them in a unique way. This is a giant step forward in terms of flexibility for the ClickUp platform. Customizing ClickUp to manage things beyond tasks is limited only by your imagination. You'll save so much time with custom task types. All right, let's wrap it up, Zeb.
Well, hold on. I've got one more thing also.
No, don't.
Speaking about saving time, we had a little bit of help writing this keynote. No, we didn't hire a speechwriter. Rather, we used the revolutionary new ClickUp AI. I gotta say, I am personally very emotionally invested in this one, as it's a true leap forward in being able to save people time. I've been using it the past few weeks, and I can honestly tell you it's not just hype. It's real, and it's game-changing. With ClickUp AI, you'll get help writing and producing high-quality content to get your ideas off the ground. But what I'm most excited about is AI summaries. With the click of a button, you'll get a simple and concise summary of a lengthy document you'd otherwise have to read from start to finish. And you'll no longer need to scan through endless comments to know what's going on within a task. Instead, you'll get an instant summary that gives you the overall picture in a fraction of the time. And get this, you'll no longer need to manually write stand-ups or progress updates ever again. ClickUp AI will become your new favorite assistant, transforming the way you work forever.
Hold on. There's one more
No. Thanks everyone for tuning in. See y'all in our next sessions.
Bye.